Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the field one of your favorite PE teachers from Aspendale Gardens Primary School. The one, the only, Mr. King.
Hello students of AGPS. Mr. King here, ready to play some zig-zag hockey. Is everyone else ready to play? Excellent. But before we do play, I have got one question for everyone. Do you, at home, have what it takes to beat me, Mr. King, in zig-zag hockey? Interesting. I guess there's only one way to find out, and that is to play some zig-zag hockey. Let's get into it.
Round 1.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream.
Round 2. Round 3.
Running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
So, there you have it everyone. There is my 3 rounds of zig-zag hockey done and dusted. By the looks of it, I didn't do too well. What do you reckon at home? Did I go okay? Okay, that's not too bad then. So, see if you can beat me in at least 2 of those rounds, and if you can, then it looks like you have got what it takes to beat me, Mr. King, in zig-zag hockey to become the zig-zag hockey champion. So everyone, good luck and have some fun.